Hello, this is Tim Jackson from iBox Solutions, and today we're doing a review of NetScript's Social Networks Auto Poster. Now, you may be wondering why we're doing a review of a plugin that automatically posts things to social networks, because it's kind of been done before. But the difference with this one is that it will automatically post your updates to Google+, which, if any of you have been following our blog, you will know is been a really difficult nut to crack. And what you'll see today is that the company's actually managed to do this. So what we're going to do is go to plugins and go to add new, and we're going to search for NetScript's Social Networks Auto Poster, and this one here. So I'm going to install this particular plugin. Now, there are actually two parts to this. There's this plugin, and then there's a script that you do have to purchase from NetScript for $49 on the current exchange rate. It's about £31, and we think that's really good value for money, because if it's auto posting all of your updates for you to the various social networks, then it's going to save you a lot of time. So when I've come to settings for the plugin, you'll see that I haven't actually uploaded this additional file yet, so we need to do that. So use any particular FTP software that you're familiar with, and I've just come into our website and go to WP Content and Plugins, and then you upload this file, which we'd like to thank NetScript for providing to us to review. And if we upload this, and then if I come back to the website and just do a refresh, then you'll see there that we can now auto post to Google+. So we'll just pop in our username and our password. Now, if you want to just post to a profile, you can leave it like this, but if you want to upload or post your updates to a Google+ page, then you need to put the ID of that page in this box here. To get that, if you just go to your page and you just copy the number, so not the whole web address, you just want the number. You can also change what appears on the status that gets posted. So for example, by default you just have new post has been published on, and then your site name. What we prefer to have is the title of our article and then the URL instead. So I'm just going to update those settings. Now, what we do recommend that you do is submit a test post to your Google+ page. If you're sure that you've entered in the username and password correctly and you're getting an error message saying that the password or username is incorrect, then there are some server settings that you will need to update, and we found that this is common across a few different web hosts. We have got details in our blog article of how to resolve that, but it's just to let you know it's not an issue with the script or the plugin, it's to do with your server setup, so just bear that in mind. So now that that's done, we can come to posts. If you see at the moment, this is our last post to our Google+ profile. And let's just publish this draft of a recent image that I took in the New Forest. So that should now be published, and what we should find is that's now appeared on our Google+ page. So we hope you found that useful. If you have any problem setting that up, please feel free to contact us.